Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And today we're going to talk about how I was wrong in this video for last weekend on the weekly watch video. But what I think is going to happen going into tomorrow. So stay tuned. But real quick, make sure you check out the weekly trade zones for the S&P Emini futures. $50 for a lifetime subscription. And that's it. Links down below in the description. But as always, let's jump right into this video. So last week, I was dead wrong. I thought the market was going to reverse. We were at the upper end over here of this back trend line. We are still riding this back trend line. We can't get above. I thought this was a very classic look above and fail. But if you actually abide by my rules too, at the same time, I said we have to break below the previous day's low, which we never did. This was Monday's price action right here. We never broke below, right? Here was the first time we broke below the previous day's low, and look at what the market did. It actually did sell off a little bit, but then reversed today and broke higher. So what is going on now? Going into Friday, October 29th, is I think there's going to be more upside. We're going into the end of the month, right? So there's probably going to be natural buying going into it. I know Apple, Amazon, a couple of companies report earnings. Amazon missed. Apple was a little light. So we'll see if that weighs on the market a little bit. But with that being said, I would probably say the market is bullish, right? Because we broke right above this high. So let's see if it keeps going higher. Maybe any type of pullback, maybe right around this 45.65 level might be a nice little bounce in the overnight session or tomorrow. Now, with that being said, this is a 5-minute chart, and what I want to do is I'm going to be starting a chat room pretty soon on Discord, where for the first couple hours, Monday through Friday, I believe I'm going to be doing live analysis, giving trade alerts and setups, ideas, stuff like that. So keep an eye out for that. But a lot of it's going to be, for those of you that watch me all the time, you know I'm always pitching my weekly S&P EMA zones. Well, now I'm going to start having some intraday every single day, right? And here's a quick way, just something to watch for the overnight session into tomorrow. Here is a nice zone right around here. Probably this 60 level down to about 54, 55, right? Yes, it's a big zone, but again, maybe look for a bigger bounce. So this is probably one zone I would definitely be watching for. If we do pull back around the 460 level, anywhere in the zone, you could be a buyer. But that's going to be a really good zone. A second really good zone is probably if the market does collapse. I don't think it will, but probably around this 45 level down to about the 45, 43 level. So just keep an eye on those two levels going into tomorrow. As for the upside, there really isn't anything. So it's because it's all clean air. This is where we would need to start to draw fib extensions, right? This will be the other thing that the chat room's going to have. I'm going to do fib extensions, intraday, market profile charts, anything and everything to do with the S&P trade setups that I see happening and stuff like that. So again, keep an eye out for that in the next few weeks, probably. But going back to the overall market, let's take a look at NQ. As NQ made new all-time highs right here, just barely, but they did make new all-time highs. Kind of peeked its head up, right? Look above and potentially fail. But I'm not going to call that again. But remember, Amazon and Apple were kind of missed on earnings a little bit. So maybe these wicks are a telltale, and watch for a break below this previous day's close or lows that we had today. So Bitcoin / BTC, or actually, let's go to crude oil first, / CL, right? Crude oil kind of hit, I said higher on crude oil, went up to the channel, and then I said watch for a pullback right around the 80 level. You could go back and watch my video. Okay, I'm not just saying this. You could watch it from last weekend. I like crude oil around 80 bucks. If we do pull back, it'll be the lower trend line. It was also a market profile thing. And look what we did. We bounced, literally got to 80.65 and went all the way to 83. That's a good $1.50 on crude oil. So crude oil, nice little pullback. I still think longer and higher, 90 to probably 100 is my ultimate target on crude oil going into the end of the year, but we will see if it gets there. / BTC, Bitcoin. Kind of just pulling back. Watch Bitcoin, probably watch for a pullback to this 54 probably 300 level. I would draw a supply zone right around here. As it takes maybe another couple days, the 50 period might move up, and then we might have X marks the spot where we have the 50 and also a demand zone. Sorry, not a supply zone, a demand zone or a support zone, right? So keep an eye on that. Gold, GLD. Gold kind of higher, lower, bounce, kind of bouncing on the breakout of this bull flag. If we could get above probably this 169.70 level, watch out. I think it could start to run. Silver. I'll do more in depth this weekend on this weekend's video. But with that being said, silver, just same thing, sideways. Let's take a look at Apple. So right now, Apple broke up, but aftermarket we're 147. Okay, so we're probably right back down into this shoulder right here. I've been calling this head and shoulders. We'll see what it does. It'll probably take the markets down a little bit. So we are after hours at 147. So we'll see what happens in the morning. AMZN, Amazon, same thing. Totally missed. We're currently at 33.26 levels. So we're probably right around this level right here. Really nothing, just kind of building all of this out, market profile. So that's it. But going back to the ESs for tomorrow. Just so we're bullish on here. We're not seeing any divergence. Everything's kind of in shape right now. But as far as levels to watch overnight, watch that 460. 4560 level, and then the 4540 level. But I doubt we'll get there going into tomorrow's or end of month. The 60, I think we could get there, but I do like that level. Lots and lots of sideways action right here. Nice support level. But hope that helps, guys, for tomorrow, and be safe out there trading. And stay tuned for more information on the Discord chat room. But as always, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.